If whale money crashes out of the market while price tests this support, this is where we're more likely to see crashes towards that $34,000 level. But if all things continue as they have been, if the market stays predictable, I would expect a bounce from there, retest of structure resistance, and with a fourth touch, we may even break out to the upside. After hitting a third touch on our structure resistance at $38,000, Bitcoin is back on the move to the downside. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where I think Bitcoin is going next and what we can expect through the rest of this week. So stay tuned. Before we jump into it, I want to let you know you have one more opportunity to pick up our indicators at a massive discount. Today is the Cyber Monday flash sale. Go ahead and click the button on the home page. Act fast because our Cyber Monday flash sale only lasts until 5 p.m. Pacific time on Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. You can get up to $650 off, and I'll show you exactly how to do that at the end of this video, so stay tuned. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head into the description of the video you're watching right now, just go ahead and scroll down and click more. This is where you're going to be able to get access to those indicators at the first link. You can join our membership with 97 wins, 0 losses. One of our trades is so close to winning right now. You can access our daily crypto metrics and join us for our next $1 million profit account challenge members only video with our membership at the second link, and you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. With that, we're jumping straight into the analysis. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io homepage. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin metrics, and the very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. After the peak this weekend, right about here, we saw a drop and are now sitting back in neutral territory. Recently, it's actually been tough to call. Any moves that go into neutral territory seem to be somewhat random. As you can see right here, we saw crazy moves up, but as we pushed into neutral right here, this was actually a point that we topped out in price. So typically what we can expect is actually just a continued move of whatever's happening at the moment. And as of right now, we are seeing moves down happening in Bitcoin. So this is looking a slight bit bearish here. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector. And oh boy, this is getting exciting. We are so close to the breakout zone. If we drop below this line, this is typically where we're seeing insane volatility in the market. And the last 2 times this happened actually caused the pumps that brought us to where we're at today, testing new highs for 2023. Keep a very close eye out for that and be careful, because even if we see a breakout zone reading, it does not necessarily mean bearish. It was the last couple of times, but as you can see right here, it can result in moves down too. So watch out. And the way you're going to be able to predict that is using the Bitcoin whale smart money metric, where what money goes, the price is likely to go to. And it appears that short trade sentiment is diminishing for whales. I'm betting through this week, as long as the price keeps dropping, we're actually going to see long trade sentiment from whales. Where whale money goes, once again, the price is likely to go to. So if whales are putting in long trades, this should push the price of Bitcoin up. But this shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are doing right this second with the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart. Whale money in general is actually trending downwards, despite the fact that Bitcoin is trending upwards. This is called bearish divergence, and most often will result in more significant moves to the downside. This is something I've been talking about for a couple of weeks now, and we still have yet to see it play out. At this point, whale money is fairly neutral. If we see really big spikes into the market, this would invalidate this bearish divergence and would likely result in significant moves to the upside to create new highs for 2023. But as long as whale money continues trending downwards, we can likely expect continued drops in the market as well. This is honestly what I'm expecting. I think we are, as we reach this structure support right here, this ascending one, that whale money is going to push up, stop right about on its own resistance, and then drop back down to bring the price back down. Keep a close eye out for that. This is bearish at the moment, and if we look at the major support and resistance structures for Bitcoin, we do have a brand new resistance at $37,999. We actually surpassed that just barely to form a new high for 2023, but immediately rejected, and we're on our way back down yet again. I'll show you more structure supports in the live charts. That's actually going to be my target, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at the Bitcoin trade signals chart. On the 1-day time frame here, if we see a sell signal, we can expect moves back to the downside, even if they're smaller ones. Right here, sell signal, strong sell, move down, strong sell, move down. But The Bitcoin market is really strong right now. Bearish signals need to be invalidated for the bull market to continue. So keep a close eye out on that. As signals post on Bitcoin, we will be looking for possibilities of a short squeeze that would actually rocket the price up instead. Stay tuned for future videos on that. It's going to be crucial that you pay very close attention to all of these metrics on Bitcoin. Members get access to Bitcoin metrics along with the metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members get our future forecast videos, brand new one coming out tomorrow, our trade setups where we're currently 97 wins, 0 losses. They're going to get access to our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout. This is going to be training and a Q&A session for all of our members. This is actually happening this Thursday, so we hope to see you then. Do not miss out. And most importantly, right now, time is running out on our Cyber Monday sale. We extended it to Tuesday. You have until tomorrow, November 28th, in order to get massive discounts on our indicators, and the best prices go to our members as well. So if you want to snag a membership and get all these money-making benefits, the links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and our membership link is the second one. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. Full access for $59 a month, limited time special. Lock in your membership price now because price increases are coming. It's going to give you all those benefits I showed you and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts. We're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts. This is really exciting. We are currently sitting at $37,080-ish. The price is moving down, and we are following a continuous pattern that we have followed pretty much since we've broken $34,000. We officially have 3 separate touches on the $38,000 structure resistance, and we have yet to break through that. Most often, the 4th touch, though, will be a point of breakout, so keep that in mind. Before that, though, we need to see a move down. We're seeing price versus well money flow in the middle, once again trending downwards, and as long as well money continues moving out of the market, we're very likely to see drops in the market as well. Combine that with the fact we have a 62% chance of a drop, small little dips are coming. Now, this is a brand new structure support that we've been looking at. Once again, this has been respected since we surpassed $34,000, and this is actually going to be my target for the move down. From the current trajectory, we should hit this pretty quickly, and if we get a horizontal line, this is going to put us at exactly $36,500 for a short-term move. Nothing too crazy to start out. From the current price, this is literally less than a 2% move. So don't worry about this. This is not something I'm worried about. If whale money crashes out of the market while price tests this support, this is where we're more likely to see crashes towards that $34,000 level. But if all things continue as they have been, if the market stays predictable, I would expect a bounce from there, retest of structure resistance, and with a 4th touch, we may even break out to the upside, all the way up as high as $39,600 to finally create a solid new high for 2023. Now, the reason I'm still a little bit bullish on this, as it's actually been pointed out in the comments, if we head to the weekly time frame, we still have not received a sell signal. Most often on the weekly time frame, when we see sell signals, we're seeing significant moves to the downside. And let me go over here, enabling a couple trend lines here so you can see it more clearly. Most of these happen right on this structure resistance. Once we get a sell signal, it'll result in moves down to this previous structure support, and this would be a significant move to the downside. I do not expect it to go nearly that low. Once again, my lowest target at this point is $34,000, but the fact that we haven't received a sell signal quite yet on the weekly time frame shows we could push as high as $40,000. We've had a member that's been talking about that in our comments section for a while. I want to shout you out, and I appreciate your insight on this, and I think you're absolutely right. But once again, if we head to the 1-day time frame, we have to be really careful. In order for really significant moves to happen, we do need to see price versus well money flow low, trades in favor low in order to be bullish, and if we receive a buy signal, all 3 of these would combine to see significant moves to the upside, and that's exactly what I'm expecting. Let me go ahead and re-hide the trend lines just to make it clearer. Expecting a bounce up from $36,500 for a move up to $38,000 or as high as $39,600. Now, once we get that bounce and move up, the next top, the way you're going to find the top is to test structure resistance. Once we hit structure resistance and we see price versus well money flow high, trades in favor high, and if we get a sell signal, all 3 of these would combine to see the next move down. It's as simple as that. That's how we're calling our tops, our exits in crypto. It's literally as simple as that. And the TC top and bottom finder, you can set alerts. You don't even have to be at your computer in order to find tops. If you get a sell or strong sell signal, let me go over to the alerts tab. on either the daily or the weekly time frame, the TC top and bottom finder is going to let you know. So you're out and about grocery shopping and you don't want to miss a signal. The signal pops, you get a sell signal, and at that point, you know this would likely be a good time to take some profits because the price of Bitcoin is likely to go down. It helps you save time, it saves stress, it saves energy, and if I know anything about the holidays, I know that saving time, energy, and stress is essential. Now, the TC top and bottom finder also has risk management built in. We have so many tutorials on how to do this, but essentially our risk management strategy, and keep in mind, this is what we've used to earn 97 wins, 0 losses, these indicators plus this strategy. Essentially, we just like to split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first one goes whenever you're ready to enter. When price versus when money flow is low, trades in favor is low, and we get a buy signal, that's when we like to enter. We'll enter the first part with a market order just to bring some skin in the game. If the price moves up above our take profit, easy money, set up for the next trade. But if the price ends up dropping, no worries because we have buy limit 1 and buy limit 2 to help us out. If buy limit 1 is broken and we buy lower, this lowers our break-even point, bringing us into profit faster, and we have twice the amount of money invested than we did before. Both of these significantly increase profit potential, and if we drop below 20,000, not likely, but you always want to keep yourself safe. It'll bring your break-even down even lower and triple the amount of money you have in the market. Crazy, crazy profit potential. It's so easy to win like this, so hard to lose trades like this. So if you want to start using these crazy indicators and start making profit, you have a very limited time to take advantage of our Cyber Monday sale. Do not miss out. This is the biggest sale we have ever run. All you got to do is check the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the indicators are the first link. Click that. Cyber Monday page. Go ahead and scroll down. The indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members get a massive $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with the membership than it is without it. So snag a membership, access the coupon code at this link, write it down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership coupon code for your first $250 off. Don't worry, there's more coming. Go ahead and throw in your information. Click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off for a combined discount of $650. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on the Cyber Monday sale.